Hey gang, Sally here. Hope you're having an amazing and fascinating day. I know I am today. So I am actually putting this together on October 9th. I can't believe I'm that far out. And I am right now in Saugus, Maine, but you won't see this stuff for probably another month or so at the rate I can get stuff published. What you're going to see today is from when I was on my way to visit a friend in Fort Wayne area. And yeah, just this is going to be pretty short and just kind of a mashup thing. But as always, thanks for coming along for the ride. I just wanted to include this for continuity in my travels. And I finally figured out the storage solution for all the crap that was on my spare bed. So, as always, thanks so much for watching. Hope you got something out of the video. If you haven't already, please do consider subscribing. If you think you are, double check to make sure, because YouTube does spontaneously unsubscribe people. Leave a comment, give us a thumbs up, do all the stuff. We'll see you on the other side. Here it is. So far we have detoured, I think, about 12 or 13 miles to come see the Mentone egg, painted with a map of Indiana and the moniker, the egg basket of the Midwest. What you doing way over there? So this is where we spent the night. I'm way down there. Oops. I've actually spent the night here, I think 4 nights in a row. I've been visiting a friend whose HOA does not allow parking on the street or in their driveway of any kind of RV. But check this out. We are in Indiana, and I think fall's coming. And I'm heading all the way up to Maine. Okay, I'm trying to show you the good side, because this looked so good when it arrived that I could not restrain myself from digging right in. So here's the side that I've already decimated. But this is really good, guys. It's caramel, it's chocolate, it's dark chocolate. It's a dark chocolate bowl, basically, filled with vanilla ice cream and topped with the cookie. We are at Debrand. Very, very nice chocolate shop here with ice cream in Fort Wayne, Indiana. Just want to give a quick shout out to one of my subscribers, Lisa, that I got to meet up with on my way out of Fort Wayne. I can't believe we didn't take any pictures, Lisa. We met up and went into a restaurant to get a drink and catch up for a little while. And Kit was being very barky, and we ended up getting kicked out. So there was that. It's something to remember. Anyway, so that was my time in Fort Wayne. Next up, we got the storage solution. So stay tuned for that, and then we're done. Here's the mess I've accumulated on the spare bed. And, part of it is that it's just hard to find space to store things sometimes. And I've got some stuff that I need to donate and so forth. But I'm going to see if I can use these 2 bins and get all of this stuff corralled so it looks more neat. Okay, I'm going to call it a success. I got all the stuff into the bins that I want to. So the rest of this project will involve getting rid of this mattress, and then the bins will actually fit all the way underneath of the cabinet. And that'll give me even more room, so it'll be lower down, the window will be more exposed, all that kind of good stuff. But I gotta get rid of the mattress. And there's no place for me to do that right here, so yeah, looking forward to that. Well, here we are. The mattress is gone. Now we're gonna see how much these containers slide around while I'm driving. I might end up having to get some of the kind of foamy shelf liner that'll hold them in place. We'll see.